Alright, this is the parking lot of the Eagle River Nature Center. This is where the volunteers park. And that is the car that we rented. This is the entrance of the Eagle River Nature Center where we come in. Alright, this is the back room where people hang out. Time is 10:25 and it's light out. It's pretty crazy. It's a beautiful day out. Alright, we were on a mission to find two boys, but they've been found. We're just walking on the Albert Trail loop, and it's a beautiful day out. This is probably one of the better days that people have been saying. It's about 70-80 degrees right now, and I'm equipped with bear pepper spray.
Joe will show us his equipment.
Bear pepper spray. Kathy, this is for you. All you gotta do is just pull this out and push down on the lever. Make sure the bear is 30 feet away, because if it's any closer, you're pretty much in danger. So you have to get them before they get closer than 30 feet. Walkie-talkie, so if we get lost, we have some communication. So, all right, we're on our way. We're just gonna finish this loop now. Alright, we are at the famous Four Corners. According to the map, we're about 1 mile from the Nature Center. So we walked about a mile. And we're going to probably walk another 1.5 miles, 2 miles to get back, because it goes pretty deep into the woods. There's Danielle. She's getting ready. And there's some people coming from another trail, and there's another passage that brings you to the Drew Mount Trail, which we're not going to do today. Alright, let's continue on the Albert Trail loop. We're going to visit the River Trail Yurt, which is a place where people can stay, and we'll examine that a little later. We're on the Albert Trail still, and just got some water here. I don't know what it is.
You hear that? This is just water.
Yeah, there's some type of water, but I don't...
Oh, there's a moose. Oh my god, there's a moose.
Got a moose.
It just went behind those spruce trees.
Oh, got something.
There it is.
And it's baby moose.
Zoom in. Our
Got
first wildlife viewing. Who heard it?
Baby got it. Oh, there's a little baby moose.
Who heard it? Me. Zoom in. Wow, nice. Get a pic. Oh, you don't have the still camera, do you?
No.
Oh, damn.
You can take still pictures of this.
Yeah, it's not the same.
No, it's perfect. We can record this in the book. Moose, the baby moose sighting. Where's the baby moose?
Behind it. See it? I wonder if those people see it over there. I don't know if they even know it's there.
Wow, got the butt of the moose though. This is just a nice shot right here of the mountains, skyline of
State Park. When you gotta go, you gotta go.
Yeah, we are like off the beaten trail right now.
Oh boy.
I don't think Danielle likes it in there. But this is the...
I can't go. I can't go. Ready. Nice.
This is nice. What? Oh, look at this. You got a little barbecue.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, this is nice. Nice river. Want to go up there?
Yeah, I want to see this first.
Yeah, well, there's the yurt right there. Yeah, people rent this out at any time of the year. Looks pretty cool. And this is where the firewood is.
Get this view.
Yeah, this is a nice view. Yeah, this is
I want
beautiful.
to see it.
You gotta climb up these rocks here to get up to the yurt. Yeah, I don't think anybody's in here.
Somebody's supposed to rent it.
Oh, you got bunk beds. And you got a little desk.
Looks like our cabin.
And you got a wood stove. Pretty nice. This looks pretty cool. We've hiked we've hiked for a while now. There are a lot of bugs though, but they're not
They're
really
not biting.
They're not biting. Alright, we're going back to the journey. Alright, we're still on this trail. And there's a lot of freaking bugs out here. They really like me. I guess next time I'm going on a hike, I'm not wearing my hair gel. Some viewing area here. Creekside View, dedicated to Beth Lard on her birthday, June 29th, 1997.